Hello, I had so much fun doing my gumball tutorial-ish video that I decided I should make some more. Today I'm doing Dipper from Gravity Falls. First I take my Fit Me blush and blush my nose, cheeks, chin, and the top of my head. Then I take my lemonade craze and do the same thing but only on my nose. What you see me doing there is using my big blush brush and evening out my nose so it blends nicely. Then I take my NYX Ultimate and take the brightest red and pink. Now I'm taking Take Me Back to Brazil's pinks and a red. Now I take my CoverGirl palette and use the red to tint my nose more to the darker side. So you might see his eyebrow part to be weirdly unplanned. I had broken the palette I usually use for his eyebrows, so I had to go improv. Luckily I had this brown eyebrow thingy. I'm not sure what it is. In my opinion, my eyebrows are always different, so use whatever works for you. My Dipper wig is from Arta. It'll be linked in the description. Fixing my wigs till they look right to me takes so long. I took 30 minutes just to fix this wig. Thank you for watching!